management area. So one of the areas in my pet topic is master data management. And here as an example, I've given the equipment and vehicle as a core heart of all the operation, and what it's really critical and how you manage it. Enriching the data around, the brand, the class, the model is really critical. It helps you analyze your big data eventually. But as you can see on this map, the master data drives all your wholesale business operations, right? It gives you capability to provide your dealerships through the portal, ability to place orders, to process orders for spare parts, to get information and technical details from the portal. It allows them to see their own pricing as well as stock overview. It helps them register the warranty against the product they're buying, and also lodge the warranty claims and understand the warranty terms. If you're running selling to the end retail customer, it also provides a capability for end retail customers to do retail pricing, ability to look at data devices. It also, if the solution is deployed in retail, it helps them through trading activities and also service capabilities. The service capabilities is available in the after sales area of the solution, where based on the vehicle details and traceability of the data again, it provides scheduled servicing for you to have the capabilities to create jobs, resource planning, resource scheduling. Again, the inventory management, if you have the core specs details around brand, model, engine specs, you can manage your inventory and the product lifecycle of the inventory quite well based on different parameters and functionality and characters. It helps you to even manage across the product, especially on spare parts, where you can buy different spare parts from multiple suppliers in the industry and from different brands. It helps you to manage all your procurement cycle based on the product master. So that's one area which, if you focus around, it gives you a lot of capabilities to go B2B as well as B2C. And it helps your dealers or your end retail outlets to get the information on the fingertips from the different dealer portals, rather than picking up the phone and speaking to your brand manager all the time. So it gives you the power to enable your dealers and retailers with all the information they need to engage in selling to their customers.